welcome back, guys. Just wanted to play some of this. Don't know how to play it, and maybe it's because I haven't played it. So this is my first time playing. Yes. So just gotta get some. Like a donuts. I'm going out to a construction yard today to go going out to a construction yard to just try to see what I can do today. Just suck up this game. I need to get on my phone. How do I get out of this? So this is my truck. I'm gonna see if I know figure out what to do. So we're gonna join a new game. So I found another game to play, and I'm just gonna pick the SRT. Just gonna spawn it. Got some money to go spend. Wait. Let me. That's what it sounds like. And let's see what's in this bad gal. So first that I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is the original motor that's supposed to be in these bad boys. No famous thing like last time, sadly. Interior looks nice. Nice back there. Sides look nice. Let's just go see if we can get a car. Sorry, I'm just not really here today. Feeling sick. Yeah. So I love to see all the brands in here. Like Dodge only has a couple cars, sadly. Hennessy, Venom, Velociraptor, something that SRT. I'm gonna drive this bad boy. I don't know why I keep calling everything bad boy now. But just get out of here. What's in here? Oh my, it's a 5.0. So it's gonna explode in a second. And I'm not gonna crash into a crowd of people. This is all we're gonna look at for right now. Have a good day and see.